Good afternoon, everyone. So our presentation is about Spain's police organization. Brief history. Since 1986, the police forces in Spain have been composed of the Cuerpo Nacional de Policia and the Cuerpo de la Guardia Civil, which operate at the national level, and the Cuerpos de las Comunidades Autónomas and the Cuerpos de Policía Locales, which operate at the municipal level. The Cuerpo Nacional de Policia is a civil force and brings together in one organization the former Policia Nacional and Superior de Policia. It is an armed institution and its members have the right to belong to a union. It is responsible to the Ministry of the Interior and has 53,000 officers and 4,500 administrative staff. Its territorial jurisdiction covers all the Spanish provincial capitals and those urban areas specified by the government. The Cuerpo de la Guardia Civil, unlike the National Police, is an armed military institution that is responsible to the Ministry of the Interior and the Ministry of Defense. It has 65,000 full-time and 8,000 auxiliary guards who do not have the right to belong to a union. It has jurisdiction over the whole of the country and territorial waters. It performs police duties in all urban areas where there is no unit of the Cuerpo Nacional de Policia. Policias Autonomas are responsible for performing the tasks allocated to them by the autonomous communities and for protecting their authorities and buildings. They act in cooperation with the police bodies that are responsible to the national government. Policias Locales control traffic in their municipalities, protect the public buildings, and conduct crime investigation duties in cooperation with the state police. Organizational mandates. Guardia Civil. Mission: to safeguard the constitutional order, guarantee public safety, and protect fundamental rights and freedoms. Vision: the Guardia Civil strives to be a reputable and respective national gendarmerie. They are committed to upholding high standards of conduct and maintaining the public's trust. Organizational structure. Governance. Spain is a parliamentary constitutional monarchy, meaning it has a monarch as head of state, but the government is run by elected officials.
Branches of government. Executive branch, head by state, King of Spain, correctly King Felipe VI. Head of government, Prime Minister, appointed by the King, exclusion from the majority of Congress, Council of Ministers, included Vice President and Minister who head different departments, example head of education. Legislative branch, Cortes Generales, Spanish Parliament, bicameral, Congress Deputies, lower, more powerful, progress law, approve budget, Senate upper house, review law, represent autonomous communities. Judicial branch, Constitutional Court, interpret the Constitution. General Council of Judiciary, Government Court. Supreme Court, highest court of civil, criminal, and administrative law. Governance of review. Democratic election every 4 years. Multiple political parties, example PSOE, PP, Vox, Podemos. Law passed by the Cortes Generales. Autonomous communities have statute or autonomy. A bureaucratic system. Regional government have significant power. Ranking. National Police or Cuerpo Nacional de Policia. Policeman or policewoman, lowest rank. Official de Policia, police officer. Sub-inspector, inspector, chief inspector, commissario principal, senior commissary, chief superior, chief, Commissario General, Commissary General, and Chief Division Division Chief, Sub-Director General, Sub-Director General, Director Adjunto Operativo, Deputy Director General, Director General de Policia, Director General of Police highest rank of classification or of Guardia Civil.
Police qualifications and training. In Spain, police forces like the Guardia Civil and Policia Nacional have comprehensive training programs. These programs include initial academy training and ongoing professional development. The Guardia Civil, an armed military institution, and the Policia Nacional, a civil police force, work together to maintain public safety throughout Spain. Qualifications and trainings. Minimum age, applicants must be at least 18 years old. Education has a high school diploma. Physical requirements, height requirements exist for both male and female candidates. 165 cm height for males and 160 cm height for females. National Police Corps, applicants must be born or naturalized Spanish citizens, not have been convicted or of certain crimes, and possess a driving license. Training. Initial training. Recruits undergo extensive training at police academies, including theoretical and practical knowledge, as well as on-duty experience. Continued professional development. Ongoing training is provided to update officers' knowledge and skills. Field training. Following initial training, officers complete a period of supervised field training. Police agency performance. There are two main forces, the National Police Force or Policia Nacional and the Guardia Civil are the primary law enforcement agencies in Spain. National Police Force. This force operates in urban areas and provincial capitals. Guardia Civil. This force, an armed military institution, is responsible for public safety throughout Spain, including rural areas, and is under the jurisdiction of the Ministry of the Interior and the Ministry of Defense. Trust in police. While there have been fluctuations in public trust, there's a general trend of increasing trust in Spanish police officers. Trust in police. While there have been fluctuations in public trust, there's a general trend of increasing trust in Spanish police officers, as evidenced by surveys in recent years. Specialized units. The Grupo Especial de Operaciones or GEO is a special operations unit within the National Police Corps.